Hello dear children, today we are back again with our reasoning based problem and the name of the chapter is Venn diagram. Already one video or two videos were uploaded on the basis of Venn diagram. So today we will solve the homeworks which were given on those videos related to Venn diagram, and this is the first question of part 1, the first video of Venn diagram. The solution of those homeworks is given in this video. Okay, so in the first question it is written, in the given figure if triangle represents healthy people. So see this is the triangle and this triangle is representing the healthy people. Okay, square represents old persons, though this is not looking like a square, but still just think about it and think it as a square, consider it as a square. And this is representing old persons and the circle represents men. This is the circle which is representing men. Okay, and in the question it is written, then what is the number of those men who are healthy but not old? Men means, here you can see circle is represented by men. Okay, so circle will be there. Okay, and it is also written over there that who are healthy also. Healthy means triangle, so one triangle will also be there. Since triangle is representing the healthy people and circle is representing the men, so here in the question it is written, what is the number of those men who are healthy? Means men and healthy, both of them will be there, but not old. Not old means square will not be there, just because square is representing the old persons. Okay, so we will check the intersecting portion or the common portion of circle and triangle both, as well as their single portions. Like men and healthy, both of them will be there. Men means in the circle. Okay, healthy means the triangular portion. Okay, so where we are getting the intersecting portion, you can see this one, 2. This is the only intersecting portion of triangle and circle, and this 2 is not there inside this square also. Just because square is representing the old person, we will not take this square, because what we have to find is men healthy but not old, means circle and triangle both will be there but not square. Okay, so in this portion we can get the intersecting part of circle and triangle both, but here we are not getting square. So in this case our answer will be 2. Okay, 2 is representing the number of those persons who are men as well as healthy but not old. Now let's come to the next question. Here in this question it is written, study the diagram and identify the people who can speak only one language. Only one language. See, these are the 3 languages, I, M, N, L. These are the completely English language. L, J, N, O. This is representing completely Hindi language. M, N, O, K. This is the circle which is representing the Tamil language. Okay. Now we have to find the language speaking persons who are speaking only one language. Okay. Now you can see here, this is the intersecting part. This is also the intersecting part. So this is the only part which is not intersected by anything. So in the language English, we are getting that only English speaking persons are I. Here also this is the intersecting part. This is also the intersecting part in case of Hindi. So only Hindi speaking persons are J. And this is the intersecting part. This is also the intersecting part. So this is means K is the only only Tamil speaking persons. So only English speaking person is I, only Hindi speaking person is J, and only Tamil speaking person is K. So here in the question it is written that identify the people who can speak only one language. So only one language means these three types of persons are speaking only one language. I is speaking only English, J is speaking only Hindi, and K is speaking only Tamil. So option B will be our correct answer. Okay. Now for this question, which of the following diagram indicate the best relation between pigeon, bird and dog? Okay, pigeon is a name of the bird. So if we draw bird in this way, then pigeon will be a part of this. Okay, if the big circle is representing bird, the small circle will represent the pigeon, and dog is completely another category, so dog will be written in this way. Okay, so let's find this diagram where we are getting, so this one. So here option A will be the correct one. Okay, now this one, which of the following diagrams indicate the best relation between India, Haryana and world? Now see, in the world, India and Haryana both are existing. Okay, India is a country in the world, Haryana is a state in the country India. So if we draw world in this way, if this big circle is representing world, then inside the world we are getting India. Inside the world, India is just a country. Okay, and inside the India, Haryana is just a state. So this will be the diagram of representing India, Haryana and world. So are we getting this type of figure anywhere? Yes, in option D. So here the correct option is option D. Now in the next question it is written, which of the following diagrams indicate the best relation between factory, product and machinery? Okay, factory, product and machinery. So if we take factory in this way, if this big circle is representing factory, product is just a part of the factory and machineries is also a part of the factory. So suppose this circle is representing the product and this circle is representing the machinery. Okay, so which one will be the correct one? Which diagram? This one. You can see option D is the correct answer. So now we will do the homeworks which were given in the Venn diagram video of part 2. Okay. Now we will solve the solution of the homework of the video of Venn diagram part 2. You can see this. Now in the first question you can see that this is the diagram given, and based on this diagram some questions are given. So you can see one triangle, one circle and one square is given over there. The square or the rectangle is representing the artists, the circle is representing the players and the triangle is representing the doctors. Okay, now in question number 1 it is written, how many doctors are neither artists nor players? Doctors means there will be one triangle. Okay, doctors will be present over there means triangle will be there, but neither artist nor player means no square or rectangle, whatever it is, no square will be there and no circle will be there, because artists are represented by squares, players are represented by the circles, and here in the question it is there only doctors will be represented but artists and player will not be represented. Okay, now we have to find the part which is there only in the triangle but not in the square and the circle. So we will just leave all the places which are intersecting with this triangle by the circle and the square. So all the intersecting portions of triangle and circle are removed. All the intersecting portion of triangle and square is also removed. So here is the only number 17, you can see this, which is representing only the doctors but not the artists as well as the players. Okay, so what is the number here given? 17, because 17 is the only number which is there inside the triangle. Now let's come to the next question. How many doctors are both players and artists? Doctors means triangle will be there. Players and artists means square will also be there, and artist means circle will also be there. Okay, so we have to find the intersecting part of all these three, because doctors will be players as well as artists. So the intersecting part of these three shapes will be our answer. Here we have to find the intersecting part of all the common these three diagrams. So here you can see this part 3, you can see this 3 will be the number of persons who are doctors as well as players as well as artists. So option C will be our answer. Let's come to the next question. How many artists are players? Artist means how many artists are players? Artist means one square will be there, and players means circle will be there. So all the intersecting part of square and circle will be our answer. Okay, so square and circle, 22 is an intersecting part, and one more intersecting part is there. See this one is also intersecting by the doctors also, but this is also intersecting part of artists and players. Okay, so our answer will be 22 plus 3, that is 25. So 25 is such a number of persons who are artists and players also. Okay, though this 3 number is present in the triangle also, means these 3 are doctors also, but these are players as well as artists also. So we are also taking these 3, and here we can see only the intersecting part of square and circle by 22. So the total number of artists who are players also will be 22 plus 3, that is 25. Let's come to the next question. How many players are? So here our answer will be 3, option C. I have marked it now. 22 plus 3, that is 25. Now question number 4, it is written, how many players are neither artists nor doctors? So how many players are neither artist nor doctor? Players means you can see there will be a circle. Neither artist means no square will be there, nor doctor means no triangle will be there. Okay, so only the circular region will be found, and no intersecting part of square and triangle will be found, because here in the question it is written, how many players are neither artist nor doctor? So no intersecting part of square for artists, no intersecting part for doctors, which is represented by the triangle. Only the circular region number will be taken. So here we will find the number which is there only inside the circle without any intersection of or without any common region with the triangle as well as the square. So here you can see 25 is such a number which is only present in the circle only, but not in the triangle as well as in the square. Okay, so here in the question that how many players are neither artist nor doctor will be 25. Okay, you can see there we can see only 25 as the number which is present only in the inside the circles, means only the players, the 25 number of players are there inside the circle only, without any intersection of triangle and circle, means without any intersection of doctors as well as the artist. Okay, let's come to the next question. How many artists are neither players nor doctor? Artists are neither player nor doctor. Artist mean there will be square. Neither player nor doctor means no intersection of triangle and no intersection of circle. So only the number which is present inside the square will represent the number of artists which are neither doctor nor player. Okay, so here we can see that without intersection only this number is there in the artist part, means inside the square. You can see that this number is only there without any intersection of circle as well as the intersection of triangle. This is the only number which is alone present inside the square. Okay, so this is the number of artists, means 30 is the number of artists who are neither player nor doctor. Okay, this was our question given and option C will be our answer. Okay, so this was the homework of Venn diagram part 2. I hope all of you have understood now. Now there will be no problem related to this Venn diagram. Okay, some homeworks will be given to you and I hope you will solve them properly, and if any problem arises then don't forget to send me message through my WhatsApp number. Okay, bye everyone, stay safe.